Today we're going to be looking for some publicly traded companies in the peer-to-peer remittance space. So as we're just looking for publicly traded companies, we're going to click on trading multiples here. So let's add some keywords that first come to mind for kind of peer-to-peer. So that's the first one. Peer-to-peer, say money transfer. And it's all to do with peer-to-peer this way. Let's add some must-have keywords. So let's add remittance. Cool. Let's click OK here. Now we're going to add a couple filters. So let's say we just want companies in the United States, publicly traded. We're going to click OK. So now of the 13,833 publicly traded companies in the US, we're going to look for the ones that have remittance. We can also sort by financial data here. And let's say we want companies bigger than 100 million in revenue. Click OK. And let's add a example company here. So we're going to add Remitly. And we're going to click add to search. So our AI has kind of picked out some products that might be useful. So yes, money transfer is a good product. Some market niches, immigrants and small businesses could be helpful. Business models that let's say we're looking for kind of some fee-based companies, and then some keywords. So mobile payment transfer. Now we're going to click search. I'm going to go through and add some of the relevant players in the space. Take a quick look at some of the KPIs. And let's go to analysis. So these are the companies we selected, and now let's add some columns. So let's say we want to add a ticker for these companies. Let's say we want to add EBITDA over the last few quarters. Check the boxes here. And this is our search. So now we're going to click apply changes. Great. So now we have the columns we just selected here. And as you can see, there's the EBITDA for the last year in there. And let's click export to Excel. And now we can export our current data selection. So this same exact table into Excel, as well as a benchmarking template, valuation time series, and a valuation dashboard.